Did you know a single phone call brought down the most sophisticated bank robbery in American history? In 1997, four men walked into a North Hollywood bank wearing full body armor and carrying automatic weapons. They had planned for months. Military-grade equipment, bulletproof suits that could stop police bullets, enough firepower to hold off an army. The robbery started perfectly. They controlled the bank in minutes, grabbed over $300,000. But then everything went wrong. Police surrounded the building. The thieves' armor made them nearly invincible, but it also slowed them down. What followed was a 44-minute shootout broadcast live on television. Over 2,000 rounds fired in broad daylight. The robbers seemed unstoppable. Police bullets bounced off their armor like rain. But one officer made a desperate call to a local gun store. He asked them to bring high-powered rifles, the kind that could pierce their armor. That phone call changed everything. Within minutes, both robbers were down. The most prepared bank robbers in history, defeated by a quick-thinking cop and a gun store owner.